All right, want to go through a simple process where we can take the names of contacts and their addresses and put them on a Google map. And the way we do that, we can go into Realvolve, go into the contacts and do some kind of filter of some sort that you want. Click on the view all to view all the records that are in there, selecting the checkbox at the top to select all the records. I'm going to click on the button at the top here for going to the Google Drive, and we can give our data some kind of name, and it can be any kind of name. I'm just going to call it map data and then click on save. It'll then take the information that you've got selected and store it on your Google Drive. I can click on my map data and load that into the screen. The first time that you do this, you may not have the add-on that you need. Once you add it in, it will be there. To add in this Google Map add-on, you click on the add-ons, come down here to get add-ons. You can type in the search field mapping sheets. That's relating to the Google Sheets mapping feature, and do a search on that, and you'll see that it is here as mapping sheets. Now I've already got mine installed. Normally it'll say free, just like the ones below it. So the way you do this is once you've selected that free button, from the add-ons menu you can now click on mapping sheets and then click on start mapping. This will open up the mapping sheets area on the right hand side. On the title, this is going to be the title that you're going to use for the map whenever you see it as a placement. I'm going to choose the mailing name. That way it has the entire mailing name. There's an option to filter, so you can filter any kind of information. I'm going to choose the city. So if I wanted to filter by certain city fields, I could certainly do that. And then the location is the address itself. So I'm going to click on the main address field. Down here at the bottom, there's an option to build. We're going to click on build. That builds the map. Now I can come over here to the right hand of that and choose view. That will open up a Google map to allow you to see those addresses that have been mapped. If I move the mouse over the top of it, you can see the little pop-up tool that shows the name of the contact. If I move over each one of those, it shows it. But this is just an easy way of taking names that are in your database and putting on the map. If you want to see it in satellite view, choose satellite, and then you can see all the information, still be able to see the things, get a little more detail in there. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you just a quick way of taking information that's in the Realvolve database and mapping it on a Google map. Have a great day.